Top Star adjustable shim screw eliminates shims for wooden doors and windows. The Top Star is engineered for ease of use, performance you can rely on, and quality you can expect. Installation is easy using the crown bit system, which combines the 6 points of contact star drive with a 4-point crown. The 4.38-inch diameter sleeve provides a secure hold for the door or window frame. Removal of the crown from the bit allows for micro adjustments for a perfectly plumb installation. The zinc-plated finish ensures long-lasting durability. The GRK Top Star provides shim-free installation for wooden windows, doors, insulation, paneling, built-in wall units, cabinets, and more. Designed to provide plumb installation without the need for time-consuming shims. Easily adjustable after a new house settles, the Top Star reduces time and labor needs during installation and new construction warranty calls.